Right now, there's a 25-year-old with ChatGPT who's stealing your clients, and they don't even know your industry exists. Just last week, I got a call that should terrify every experienced consultant. A marketing expert with 15 years in business, premium rates, stellar reputation, told me his biggest fear: my competitor isn't another consultant anymore. It's some kid with AI who's delivering my $5,000 strategy in 20 minutes. Here's what hit me: this isn't about age, it's about speed. In the time that it takes you to write a proposal, they're delivering results. While you're scheduling discovery calls, they're solving problems. Here's the brutal truth: your experience means nothing if you can't deliver it faster than AI can fake it. But here's what that consultant and most experts don't realize: there's a way to turn this threat into your biggest competitive advantage. You might be wondering, which experts will survive the AI revolution? The answer might shock you. It won't be the most experienced, it won't be the most qualified. It will be the ones who figured out how to make AI work for them instead of against them. Think about what happened when Netflix killed Blockbuster. It wasn't because Netflix had better movies. It was because they delivered what people wanted: entertainment, faster and more conveniently. The movie studios who partnered with Netflix thrived. The ones who fought it disappeared. The same shift is happening right now in consulting. And if you're feeling like referrals are slowing down, younger competitors are everywhere, and everything feels harder despite your years of experience, this is why. Let me show you something that will make everything click. There has been exactly 3 years of expertise in the last 150 years, and we just entered the third one. Picture the 1800s. You're the only doctor in town. Geography was your moat. Competition was whoever could ride a horse to your village. Life was simple. Then, around 1900, everything changed. Suddenly, it wasn't about location, it was about credentials. Get the right degree, hang it on your wall, and the clients would trust you. A lawyer was a lawyer, a doctor was a doctor. Your diploma determined your worth. If you were born in the 70s or 80s like me, you've lived through this golden age of this system. Having an MBA or 20 years of experience on your business card was like printing money. It was predictable, stable, like the Simpsons version of professional life. But that era just ended. We're now in the speed and results era, and the rules have completely flipped. Here's what nobody's telling you about this new era: it's not a level playing field anymore. In the diploma era, success looked like a bell curve. Most consultants earned similar rates. Most coaches had a similar sized practice. The system rewarded consistency. But in the results and speed era, it's the winner takes most. Think Amazon versus any bookstore, Netflix versus any video rental chain. 10% of experts will capture 90% of the business, while the other 90% fight for scraps. Good news: you get to choose which group you're in. You can pick your own game and dominate it, but you have to move fast. Right now, every expert I know is asking the same terrifying question. Is AI about to make me obsolete? And honestly, you're asking the wrong question entirely. Let me tell you what happened to Sneh, a digital marketing consultant I've been working with. 3 months ago, she was panicking because her clients started using ChatGPT for their content strategies. She thought that her $10,000 consulting packages were dead. But here's what she discovered. Her clients weren't getting better results with AI. They were getting faster bad results. The AI gave them generic strategies that looked professional but fell flat. They needed what Sneh had always provided, the ability to read between the lines, spot the real problems, and know which strategies actually work in their specific situation. So, Sneh did something brilliant. Instead of competing with AI, she started training it. She fed her frameworks, her client case studies, her pattern recognition into the AI tool. Now, she delivers the same high level strategic thinking. She can analyze data faster, spot trends quicker, and present recommendations that would have taken weeks in just days. Sneh's income didn't disappear, it tripled because she realized something most experts miss. AI doesn't replace expertise, it amplifies it. Here's what's really happening to expert income right now, and it's the exact opposite of what everyone's predicting. Most experts earn money four ways: 60% from trading time for money, 20% from package services, 15% from knowledge products, and 5% from partnerships. Everyone thinks that the 60% foundation is crumbling. But here's what I've learned working with over 650 experts: the foundation isn't disappearing, it's transforming. Think about what happened when calculators were invented. Accountants didn't suddenly become obsolete, they stopped doing arithmetic and started doing analysis. When Google came along, researchers didn't disappear, they stopped memorizing facts and started connecting insights. The experts who are winning aren't the ones with the most knowledge. They're the ones who can take the decades of pattern recognition and teach it to AI. It's like having a brilliant apprentice who never gets tired, never forgets, and processes information at superhuman speed. It's like having a brilliant apprentice who never gets tired, never forgets, and processes information at superhuman speed. Here's where most experts are getting this completely wrong, and it's costing them everything. Last week, I got a call from a business coach who said, I'm launching an AI coaching program. I asked him, what problem does that solve? He couldn't answer. Here's the thing: no CEO wakes up thinking, I need more AI in my business. They wake up thinking, I need more sales, happier customers, fewer mistakes, better margins. One of my clients figured this out perfectly. Instead of selling AI people analytics, he helps CHROs reduce employee turnover by 40% in 90 days. The AI is invisible. The results are what matter. His client doesn't care that he is using AI to analyze engagement surveys, predict flight risks, and recommend interventions. They care that they're keeping the best people and saving hundreds of thousands in replacement costs. When you connect your expertise to results that actually matter and use AI to deliver those results more effectively, you don't just survive this thrift, you dominate it. So, here's what you need to start doing right now. And this is opposite of what most experts are trying. Don't try to become an AI expert. Become an expert who uses AI. It's like the difference between a mechanic and becoming a race car driver who understands their car. Take whatever expertise you have and start building what I call AI powered systems. Think of it like franchising your brain. McDonald's doesn't need the founder flipping burgers at every location. The system does the work. You're not selling your time anymore. You're selling your brain packaged in a way that helps clients 24 by 7. Now, here's something that might surprise you, and it's the secret weapon every expert over 40 has, but doesn't realize. Everyone's worried, can I trust AI? But they're missing the point. AI needs your judgment as much as you need its speed. Your experience provides the guardrails, the wisdom, the ethics, and the standards that keep AI accurate and safe. You know what good looks like. AI just helps you deliver it faster. Think of it in this way: AI is like a sports car, fast, powerful, and dangerous in the wrong hands. You're the skilled driver who knows when to speed up and when to slow down. If you're a consultant over 40, your advantage isn't disappearing, it's actually growing, because trust and human judgment are the currencies that will outlast any algorithm in the AI age. So here's your choice, and you've got about 6 months to make it. You can spend the next 2 years watching younger competitors use AI to outpace you, or you can use the next 6 months to turn your 20, 30 years of wisdom into an AI powered system that will work while you sleep. Don't compete with AI. Train it, teach it your methods, and let it multiply what makes you brilliant. Your experience isn't being replaced, it's finally being multiplied. The experts who master this transition in the next 12 months will dominate their markets for the next decade. The world doesn't need more AI gurus. It needs experts like you who know how to combine wisdom with technology. Because at the end of the day, businesses don't buy AI, they buy results. And the results come from the experience amplified by your efficiency. If you're ready to build your AI advantage, I created a complete step by step roadmap showing you exactly how to do this. You'll find the link below. If this makes sense to you, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.